This town was built on iron, and now we're doing the same thing in a different manner with iron, but it's come full circle.
Form Energy is commercializing iron air batteries for the electric grid. So why iron air? It's very, very low cost. We're rusting and unrusting iron, a very abundant, low cost, safe material. And with that low cost point, we can get much longer duration than anything else that's out there. In our case, 100 hours of discharge. That means with 4 days power, you can solve all sorts of challenges on the electric system, reduce costs, increase reliability, allow the grid to grow in a meaningful fashion.
You have to remember, we're an old steel town. And the one comment I get more than anything is the dramatic change from the crusty old steel mill that was down here, and you'd come down the street and you see this beautiful, well-lit building. It's a shock to those that have left Weirton and then come back to visit. You know, to me, the lights symbolize the change that's going on in this community, and that change is giving people hope.
Economic development was fundamental for Form being able to identify and locate at this site. We would never have really known what was here, what the options were, what the possibilities were. It takes a special group to take a look at this kind of site that requires a lot of work, frankly, and see the vision for what it could be. Of course, understanding what it once was and trying to bring that vision together.
I really appreciate Form Energy, not just from a professional perspective, but from a personal one as well. Every time I drive by and see this building, I get goosebumps. I think it's incredible what they have done on what was essentially a brownfield, and I appreciate it professionally because it gives me the opportunity when a company is looking to come to West Virginia, I can show them what Form has built, what they have done here, and kind of help them pull out that vision for their own companies.
I think the state in its strength and beauty resonates with the people that live here. You have strong, beautiful people that care about one another. You see that not only here at Form, but you see that in the city of Weirton. It's rare that you find someone who's not willing to go out of their way to help somebody in Weirton. And that's West Virginia. It has been that way since I've been here.
Form Energy continues to say yes, West Virginia, for so many reasons. It probably would take too long to enumerate them all. But just the experience that we've had with building a factory from scratch, hiring over 400 employees here, starting up the manufacturing facility, sending out those first products to the customer. It's been a phenomenal pathway for us, and the state has been with us every single step of the way. So we don't have to turn very far to say yes. Our partner's right there with us.
It's a little bit romantic if you think about it, being resurrected in the same material that built this city. We're on a comeback. Form's a big part of that. I think we're just going to continue to grow and grow, and I think Weirton grows with it.